Pet it, Kinsley. Did its tail hit you in the face? There you go. We'll go over and pet it. Kinsley, come here. Get away from the door, hon. Kinsley. Don't get around the door.